Hi everybody. Today we're going to learn how to recover permanently deleted files in Windows using Stellar Data Recovery Professional. This method is straightforward and can get your deleted data back quickly. If you've accidentally deleted a file on your Windows PC, it can usually be restored from the recycle bin, as long as it hasn't been emptied yet. However, if your files were permanently deleted and are no longer in the recycle bin, you'll need a dedicated data recovery tool. In this tutorial, we'll be using Stellar Data Recovery Professional. It supports Windows and works across all major storage devices: hard drives, SSDs, USB drives, memory cards, and more. It goes beyond basic file recovery. It can also recover data from BitLocker encrypted drives, lost or deleted partitions, and even a Windows system that won't boot. First, download Stellar Data Recovery Professional from their official website. I'll drop the link in the description. Click Free Download. Then enter your name, email, and fill the CAPTCHA, and then click Free Download. You will receive an email titled Mobile Registration for Stellar Data Recovery Professional. Open it and click Download for Windows. And then choose where you want to save the installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. When the installation finishes, make sure to check Launch Stellar Data Recovery and click Finish. The app will open automatically. Unlock the full version to use all feature by clicking Unlock to Full Version. Enter your key. If you don't have the key, click Get It Now, and it will redirect you to their website. Here, you can choose which package suit you the most. You can save up to $100 monthly and up to $200 annually. Click Buy Now and follow the instructions. Once finished, open the app again. For this demo, I'll permanently delete this folder from the local disk D partition. Now, back in Stellar Data Recovery Professional, the home screen lets you choose which type of files you want to recover: Office files, emails, audio, photos, videos, or you can select everything to scan for all file types at once. Select your preferred file type and click Next. Now choose the partition or drive where the deleted files were originally stored. If you're working with a BitLocker encrypted drive, simply select it and enter your encryption credentials. The professional version handles encrypted drives natively. Enable the Deep Scan toggle for a more thorough scan. This is especially useful for files that were deleted a while ago, or if the drive has been formatted or corrupted. Click Scan and wait for the process to complete. Once the scan finishes, you'll see a list of all recovered folders and files. If you can't find what you're looking for, check the Raw Data or Lost Folder sections. Older or fragmented files are often listed there. To preview a file, simply double-click on it. Once you've found what you need, select only the folders or files you want to recover. Then click the Recover button. Click Browse to choose a save location, ideally on a different hard drive or external storage. Then click Save. When it's done, open your destination folder to confirm your files have been successfully recovered. Now, a couple of things worth knowing about the professional version specifically. If you have a partition that went missing due to accidental deletion or formatting, go back to the main screen and select Can't Find Drive. The software will locate and recover data from lost partitions. And if you're dealing with a Windows machine that won't boot at all, you can use the built-in bootable recovery drive feature to access and recover your data without needing a working OS. These are professional exclusive capabilities that make a real difference in serious data loss situations. And that's it. Stellar Data Recovery Professional is a solid tool for getting back lost data, whether it's a simple accidental deletion or something more complex like an encrypted drive or a crashed system. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.